Ever wondered how to make a perfect chocolate parfait at home? Today, you're about to find out. Imagine a rich, creamy dessert layered with velvety chocolate mousse, light whipped cream, and a crunchy surprise of cookies or nuts. The ingredients are simple: dark chocolate, heavy cream, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, egg yolks, unsalted butter, your choice of crushed cookies or nuts, and if you're feeling fancy, garnishes like chocolate shavings, cocoa powder, or fresh berries. Gather these ingredients and you're ready to start creating your homemade chocolate parfait. First things first, let's prepare the chocolate mousse. Start by melting 7 ounces of chopped dark chocolate and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You can use a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, or, if you're more tech-savvy, melt it in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring between each. Once it's melted, let it cool slightly. Next, whisk 2 egg yolks in a separate bowl, then quickly mix them into the melted chocolate. The trick here is to mix swiftly to prevent the eggs from curdling. In another bowl, whip up 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until soft peaks form. Now, gently fold this whipped cream into your chocolate mixture. This process ensures your mousse is smooth, fluffy, and irresistibly creamy. Finally, let your chocolate mousse chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to set. With your chocolate mousse chilling in the fridge, it's time to move on to the next step. While our mousse sets, whip up some cream for the next layer. Start by pouring a cup of heavy whipping cream into a clean bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar for sweetness, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra hint of flavor. Beat this mixture until it forms stiff peaks, a sign that your whipped cream is ready. Keep it chilled until you're ready to assemble. Now, let's bring our parfait together. Grab your serving glasses and start by adding a layer of crushed chocolate cookies or graham crackers. This will give our parfait that delightful crunch. Next, spoon in a layer of our Decadent chocolate mousse, followed by a generous dollop of whipped cream. Repeat these layers until your glass is brimming with chocolatey goodness. And there you have it. Your layers are all set, ready for the final touches. Now, all that's left is the garnishing and serving. The final step is the most fun: garnishing your chocolate parfait. Unleash your creativity. Use chocolate shavings for a touch of elegance. Dust some cocoa powder for a rich finish, or top with fresh berries for a vibrant pop of color. Remember, refrigeration is key, giving your parfait time to set and the flavors to meld together. And there you have it, your perfect homemade chocolate parfait. Enjoy this creamy, crunchy, and rich dessert that's sure to impress.